This is Marnie. He's gonna meet his new bunny this morning. He's got a new little bunny. There's the bunny. Oh, is that your bunny? Oh, is he cute? Huh? Isn't he a cute bunny? You want to be on camera instead? Huh?
He's so cute.
Here, let's put your bunny. Let's go take a look. Daddy, put your bunny up. Oh.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Oh, give him a kiss. Give him a kiss. That's so
Thank you.
nice. Ooh, is that your bunny?
Give me a kiss.
Oh, what are you doing? Oh, thank you, Marnie. Oh. What's his name? What is his name?